recently had a birthday, and today I'm going to show you everything I got for my birthday from other people, and one thing that I bought for myself. I also want to point out this is a more realistic birthday haul than you often see on the luxury YouTube channels. I will forewarn you, there is no giant, super expensive luxury handbag here, although there are 2 handbags in the video. But please don't be disappointed that this is not a $60,000 birthday haul. This one is more attainable. Stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. And remember to keep checking my community posts, because I'm posting all the sales that I'm finding that I think you guys will be interested in, from Black Friday to Cyber Monday and all the stuff around that. There are some pretty great deals here. Speaking of sales, I got this top from Macy's. It's Karl Lagerfeld, and if it's still available, I will link it below. It is a long sleeve sweater. I have it bunched up at the moment. Got a pretty good deal on it. It's nice. It feels like acrylic. It's not like super high quality fabric, but I thought it was really cute with a little heart leopard thing. I like the colors. It also comes in a button-down with pockets version. I forget, what are those shirts called? Oxford shirts. Comes in one of those too. So if I can find both of those, I will link them below. Let's get started. What I'm going to do is show you what I got based on who gave it to me. I'm going to start with the animals. Yes, the animals do get me gifts for birthdays and Christmas, as they should, because they owe me a lot for everything I do for them. They got me a card. This is the card they got me. It says, "Happy Woof Day to you." Inside, they wrote this. It's funny that their handwriting is all the same. When I have them sign cards to other people, their handwriting is all different, just so you know. That guy Paul who lives here, he gave me this card with wine on it. He also got me a little something from Kendra Scott. Let's open this up. This was really nice. For Mother's Day, we took my mother to this little crepe restaurant for breakfast, and next door to that restaurant is a Kendra Scott, and when we were there, we walked by the window and I pointed out a couple things that I thought were pretty, and he went back and got them and gave me one for Mother's Day from the animals, and then this for my birthday. Very thoughtful, I thought. So inside the box was a dust bag. Inside the dust bag is this beautiful chain necklace. It's in a gold tone. As golds go, it's on the lighter gold side, and I think it's very spectacular. Oh, spectacular. I'm saying that a lot lately. I've been wearing this a lot too. I really like it. It's just the perfect little simple chain to add a bit of shine and bling to your neckline. I love it. He and my mother also took me to dinner. There's a winery in Texas called Messina Hoff, and they recently opened a restaurant and wine tasting bar in a city that's sort of bordered and encompassed by Houston, called Richmond. So we went down there for the first time. My mom got us a wine tasting before dinner, and then we had dinner, and they both split the cost of that and purchased dinner for me, which is very nice. My mother also got me this card. The secret to a good life is a well-balanced diet. Chocolate in one hand, wine in the other. So she gave me the wine with the dinner. I think she probably gave me a bottle of wine too, and she gave me some chocolates. She also gave me, there's a little card inside that has the details on it. She gave me a subscription to Masterclass. Do any of you have subscriptions to Masterclass? It is fabulous. I've been interested in it for a while now, and I asked for that for my birthday, and I'm so glad that I got it. I've been watching a lot of the videos. I've seen Anna Wintour, Steve Martin, that one was great, Annie Leibovitz, she's a photographer if you don't know, and Gordon Ramsay, the chef. I think he has 2 series. I've seen the first one. Everything is to die for with him, and every other word out of his mouth is literally, and none of it is literally. However, I did pick up some good cooking tips from him, especially how to poach an egg. I'm gonna practice that. Maybe we'll do a whole Vlogmas day on learning how to poach an egg, because that was a process. I'm gonna need to buy a dozen or 2 eggs to try that. Anyway, I really recommend Masterclass. I've watched some other ones besides the ones that I'm talking about, and they recently, I don't know if the sale's still going on, but they had a buy one get one free thing going. So I will link them below, and if there's a sale, the info on that will be there as well. You may remember that I purchased this little cognac Longchamp backpack for our Maine trip, and I never really had a chance to use it. And at first I was unsure about the color, but it really grew on me. So I put on my birthday list this bag, the Longchamp Le Pliage. I will open it all the way for you. Large size, long handle, tote in the cognac color. My mother got this for me. It is fabulous. I have been purchasing quite a few Longchamp bags of various styles lately, so I need to do a Longchamp collection video, maybe during Vlogmas, maybe not, I don't know yet. Let me know what you would prefer. But this is fabulous. I have another Longchamp on the way. Actually, I have 2 more Longchamps on the way, and one of them is black. But it's not plain black, it's very special. All will be revealed during Vlogmas. While we were out of town for my mom's birthday, I have a video of that linked below. We surprised her with an 8-hour private sailboat charter. It was a lot of fun. I will link that video below. But while we were out of town, the dogs stayed with a friend of ours who works in docks and rescue. They were very well taken care of, and her mom found out that my birthday was coming up, so she did this for me. She got this throw blanket with these little dachshund mummies. Isn't that cute? And super soft. And she does this with tea towels and with blankets and things. She crochets these borders around the edges. Isn't that nice? So I have that now. I love blankets. I have a blanket addiction. Raise your hand if you have one too. Another friend of mine got me these Sugarfina grapefruit sours. You can see I've been eating them. They are so yummy. He also got me this Corkatoo wine bottle opener. On the back it says Polly want a drink. Very cute. Haven't used that one yet, but he also gave me a champagne sealer, this little winged thing, which is currently on a bottle of champagne in the refrigerator. And he gave me this fantastic bottle of booze. This is single barrel Heaven's Door straight bourbon whiskey, and this is somehow related to Bob Dylan. I don't know if he owns the company. I'm guessing that's what it is. But this is delicious. It's very caramel, yummy. I recommend. By the way, coming up in Vlogmas, I have a whiskey advent calendar. We will be learning about whiskey this December. You guys know Styled by Gwenny in England, one of our YouTube besties. She gave me this card. The bags under my eyes are Louis Vuitton, darling. And she sent a sweet note inside, along with a little gift from Radley of London. Inside here, she knows what I like. It's a little card holder with a dachshund in a sweater. It's adorable. It has a zip compartment on the top. On the back, there's one big slip compartment, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, count them, 6 slots for card holders. There's also this little strap that is too small to be used as a wristlet, but you could use it as a fingerlet, and you could also unhook it and connect it to something else in your bag for easy finding. It is adorable. Thank you, Gwenny. And of course, you know Yota Style on YouTube. She sent me some gifts as well. She sent me a little party in a box. One of the things I don't have with me because I have it at work are some little party napkins. My yearbook class sometimes has parties and I need napkins for them, so those were perfect. Yota sent me this little card with a dog on it. And that note, she thinks she's my bestie. Don't tell her, but it's really Gwenny. She sent me quite a few things, including this Burberry-esque scrunchie, this mug, Autumn Leaves, and Pumpkins Please. This notebook that says I am very busy because I'm always telling her that I am very busy. It's true. And to leave me alone. Not really. She also sent this fabulous box from Corksicle. That's upside down. From Corksicle. You may recognize that shiny crown, and on the back it says Jean-Michel Basquiat. If you've been watching this channel for the last few months, you will have seen my Coach Basquiat pieces and you know how crazy I am about them. She got me this fabulous Corksicle thermos with the Basquiat crown on it, and it's like a copper bronze color, which is one of my favorite colors. I have a whole bunch of handbags in that color, and I already have a thermos similar to this, but I told her I wanted one of the Basquiat ones. The lid screws off. I use these every day for water that I take to work, and I like to have a variety of them. There are 3 different Basquiat designs, and I will link them below in case you're interested in getting one. I love this. It will get a lot of use. Thank you, Yota. She also got me something that was a bit of a surprise. You guys may be familiar with my Kate Spade Little Better Sam green bag that I got a while back. I have carried this a lot. I love it. wonderful pop of color amidst my mostly neutral bags. I've loved it a lot more than I thought I would, and I have told her that, so she got me this black one, which was quite a surprise. I'm so happy she did, because I had been contemplating whether I should get it or not, and did I really want more than one bag in this style, and it turns out I do. I have enjoyed this quite a bit. I've carried it even more than the green one because it's black and it goes with everything just about, and it's a fabulous bag. I recommend them. They, as I'm filming this, they're having their Black Friday sale, and they have these on sale, the colors they have left, for $88. They're usually $150, but this is how it looks. It's fabulous, it's slim, it's similar to the Prada re-edition, and it's very lightweight, but it holds a lot for its size. It's wonderful. I love it. I recommend it. She also sent me this Louis Vuitton catalog. It's number 12. Let me just do a very quick flip through there so you can get an idea of what kinds of things are in there. Hope you could see that well enough to get an idea. And I actually have 2 of those now because Becca gave me one recently, so I may give one of those away in Vlogmas. Stay tuned for that. Yota also sent me this fabulous item. What could it be? What could it be? Could it be, let's take guesses. Why don't you take guesses? Put in the description box what you think Yota got me from Louis Vuitton for my birthday. Did she get me a Speedy 20? Did she get me a Toiletry 19, the impossible to find Toiletry 19 that I do want? Did she get me perfume? No, because it's not packaged like this. Did she get me a pochette accessoire? Did she get me an on the go in empreinte, which is something I really want? No, she did not. Here's what she got me. It is a book. Louis Vuitton has fantastic books. If you're looking for something from Louis Vuitton for the holidays, I'm dropping everything out of the box. A book is something that I would definitely recommend. If you go through my new office studio tour, I show you some of the other books I have, actually including this one, and talk about that and give you some recommendations. So I will link that below if you'd like to know more about Louis Vuitton books. This one is called Extraordinary Voyages. Look at the edge on that. Isn't that cool? It's on all the edges. Very neat book. What it does, I'll give you a little flip through here. It's a lot of writing and a lot of pictures. Some of them are photographs, some are illustrations. It's stories about different kinds of transportation. I just want to read a bit of the table of contents to you. This will not take long. I'll just read the section titles. There are 6 sections. Planet Louis Vuitton, the automobile, the Zeppelin, the train, the boat, and the aircraft. So within each of those sections, it has several short stories, true stories about different modes of transportation or things that happen. Like there's one story about the Titanic, things like that, historical moments or notable moments relating to transportation. It's a very cool book. Again, thank you, Yota. The last thing I have to show you is the thing that I got myself for my birthday. And it's unusual. It's not a handbag. It's not something I think you would ever guess that I got. It is this glass paperweight. I got this when we were in Wimberley on my mom's birthday trip. There's a glass place there where they blow glass, and there are artisans there that make glass pieces, and it's called Wimberley Glassworks. And I've seen this there the last few times that I've been. It's a limited edition piece. They have the paperwork on it here. They made 75 of them, and this is number 33. There's the little certificate of authenticity. It's called Swirls of Spring, and those greens, those are my colors, and I think it's beautiful. Check out the design on the top. Can you see the little bubbles in there? I just think it's so pretty, and I wanted to have a piece and have it up on my desk here with the light shining in through the windows. It's beautiful. I love it. You won't be able to see it if I hold it up because it's very light, but it is signed on the bottom and numbered on the bottom as well. And I will link Wimberley Glassworks below because you can order things from them. They have beautiful glass ornaments and vases and all kinds of things, light fixtures. They ship all over the world, and they have really gorgeous pieces. They're garden pieces. If you're interested in glass at all, go check it out. It's worth a look at the very least. Well, thank you so much for joining me and sharing in on my birthday haul here. I do appreciate you visiting. Thank you so much. Hope to see you back here next time. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. I hope you're having great holidays so far, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.